Hey everyone, welcome back to My Astromech. Today I'm just going to do a quick update and talk a little bit about what's been going on over the last couple weeks, plus touch on my plans for this channel. In my last video I spoke briefly about pushing hard to get my R6 ready to display at a con, and I'm happy to say that I made it to Fan Expo Vancouver and had a great time. I hit all my goals with T3X by completing all of the visible body details, and I even got the foot shells installed and a rudimentary control system up and running with the dome spinning and some sounds. I got to see my friends with the BC Droid builders and have a good look at their projects, and I ended up coming home with a renewed sense of motivation to try to organize and prioritize some of my own projects that have been slipping into various levels of abandonment. I think that I've spoken here about some of my other plans, including my intent to build a rolling BB-8 and a Gonk. Both of these projects have seen a bit of movement in the background, but they're stalled right now. I also have other plans that I've been thinking about as well, including a full-size battle droid and a DO and a scrubber droid. So what I plan to do in the next little while is really take a good inventory of what I have going on with those other projects and try to come up with a game plan for actually getting a couple of them across the finish line. Part of that includes deciding whether I'll be adding them to this channel along with the R6 project and how much time I'll be investing in that. T3X will still be the main project for me, and I've already begun working on the drive system again, so that's not going away. If you are interested in those other projects and you'd like to see that content on this channel, be sure to leave a comment below or smash that like button. I'll interpret likes here as votes to add new content. Now I want to take an extra moment to acknowledge the members of all the Star Wars fan groups. At the show, I was lucky enough to get to spend some time with my friends, not only in the Droid Builders group, but also the local 501st Garrison, the Outer Rim, plus the Rebels, Bounty Hunters, and the Saber Guild. These groups do loads of great charity work, and if you haven't already done so, I really suggest that you look into them and see what they've been up to. On top of the charity work, they're also just genuinely nice people to be around, and I'm happy to be part of that community. Okay, so that's going to be it for today. I promise next time we'll be back to robot building, and until next time, remember, there is no try.